This is a demonstration on how to copy over course content from one D2L shell to another. First, you'll want to be in the receiving shell. You'll go to Edit Course, click on Import Export Copy Components, leave the first option selected, Copy Components from another org unit, click Start. Now it's wondering, where do you want to copy the materials from? So you'll select the course from the drop-down list, find the course and select it, and then it's going to open up all of the course components in that class. If you're simply choosing to copy everything from one semester to another, you would select all components and then unselect groups and then continue. If you're selecting over specific content, you will choose Content and also Course Files. So what this is meaning is I've got 47 items in content. Maybe I don't want to copy everything, I just have select ones I want to copy. And also Course Files. This is a very large course I'm copying from, so I'll want to make sure to select individual items to copy. If you only copy over the content, it will copy over the structure, for example your module headings and your topic names, but the corresponding course files associated with those items would not be copied over. That's why you need to select the Course Files option. Then I'll scroll down and continue. And now it's wondering, which content do I want to copy? This is your structure, so then I can search through this list and figure out which of these items I want to copy over. So I could, for example, copy over, actually let's just choose one of these maybe, or two. It will copy over the module heading with it because you can't copy content topics over by themselves. So you'd select the content that you want to copy and choose Continue. And then the next screen will show you your list of course files. And this can be difficult if you have a lot of information in the class, but you need to scroll through here and figure out which of those files, and you can see what kind of files they are. This one's a PDF, this one's a doc, so it's a Word document. Here's some image files. So you'd find the information that you want to copy over with the content topics. I think these are the two that I selected, but if you were doing this for real, you would make sure this is the right files. And then you would scroll to the bottom and continue. And now you could click Finish. So this is how you not only get your content to copy over, but also if I just back out of here and go over to my content, you'll get the structure and then you'll get the file along with it. The files are stored in what's called the Manage Files area of your D2L shell. So this is another place where you can see if you've got a link here in content and it's not going anywhere, you can go to your Manage Files area and search for it, or you could actually upload it here and then make the connection. So there's different ways to get those files linked back up. But the easiest way is just when you're copying over and you're in that screen where you're selecting which items you want to copy, make sure you are copying both the content and the course files.